So this now we're coming into now is the new area they've all created as Dock 24, and they've renamed Psyche Underground now as Turbine. That was Psyche Underground there.
Yep, you used to go in on the other side, didn't you?
Yes, to fit in with the theming. A hungry shark up here. Really looking forward to having to go on Mecalodon. Heard a lot of good things about it. People have been saying it's one of the best family sort of thrill rides they've ever been on, and one of the best in Europe. Dock 25. Cannery Factory Dock World. So, foreman's office there. Cannery Factory. Shrimply the best. There's Mecalodon. Very impressive. All the work that's gone into this. Let's make it look sort of old, even though it's all brand new for this year. Some more of the theming here for Mecalodon, which is an incredible amount of work they've put into this, really, considering it's brand new. They did it properly. They've got the theming in place with the opening of the ride. There's a captain's cottage there. Laura. And the blue track, which matches the blue track over there of Tikiwaka. Okay, got some Dock TV up here. It's the first launch is just through here.
Ici, il n'y a pas de
Looking forward to this, Leo, are you?
Oh, yeah.
You, Claire?
I'm excited.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, look at that. Scary.
Whoa.
We're all riding on this bike.
I love the theme on it.
Looking forward to this. Yeah, so first ride on Mecalodon, second to back row. Claire and Leo are actually on the back row. First launch in a minute. Whoa, airtime! Next launch coming up! Yay! fantastic slide on Mecalodon. Really, really good family thrill coaster. Brilliant.
Oh nee, die ene die was wel te heavy, hè? Ja, dat je zo
Really good.
Ik had al gezien, dus ik wist wel. Oh, maar ik had die ook al gezien, maar ik wist niet dat die zo... Oh my god, ik kan nog niet. Wat leuk, ik wil ook al zien. Maar niet direct, hè? Nee, niet direct. Nee, niet direct. Zie je wel wat we die moesten doen? Ja, maar ik heb gewoon toch ook iets gedaan. Soms moet je wel wat doen. Ja, je zit inderdaad wel goed vast, dat vind ik ook wel. Ik heb amper bewogen. Ik heb wel heel...
Mecalodon is Gerstlauer and it's LSM launch and then 2 LSM boosts, so 3 launches.
It was brilliant, and like I said before, absolutely
And
love.
the theming and the work they put into it is actually out of this world.
Oh, it is absolutely amazing. I'd say that's one of my, if not my favourite family coaster.